Alright, what's going on, y'all? So it's been a minute. I forgot to record last time, so it's been about a month. But I got the spoiler in. We put this on back end of November. But it's been a month, so I guess this is more like instead of an install video, get a review. So it's been about a month. No issues, no real issues with it. Car's super dirty. I ain't washed it in a minute, but yeah, you see how the spoiler is. But comes with some 3M. I ended up using some of my own 3M, but basically put a strip all the way across on the bottom right here, all the way around like that. So it's 3M all around like that. It's pretty sturdy. Only issue I had was this little corner kind of lifted. I guess when I stuck it, I kind of had it off track a little bit, so I kind of pushed it to get this end to stay. So this little corner lifted a little bit, and I put another piece right here to kind of hold it. But it's been a month. It hadn't came off, so I think I'm good. But yeah, it was just a little bit crooked, so I tried to straighten it up without pulling the other end of it off the car. So that's why this part didn't stick as good. So line it up as good as you can. Yeah, you might want to. I pulled all the back end off and then tried to aim it and stick it down. I should have did it how I did my vet spoiler, where you lay the whole thing on how you want it, and then you peel just the bottom end of the tape, and then you pull it across with the spoiler already sitting down. So that's my bad. But yeah, overall though, looks good. It's got just enough angle to it. Doesn't look too aggressive, but not too, low key. So it's just enough attention. But yeah, I bought it from eBay. I put a link up. This was like $70. It came gloss black, so I didn't have to paint it, didn't have to do anything but stick it on there. So yeah, pretty good. I got some the garage closed, but I got some caliper paint, which I hadn't had a chance to actually paint them, and I didn't expect it to be this warm today. I probably could have got up this morning and went ahead and painted these, but so that'll probably be later. I'm not doing it today. But yeah, so still didn't get a chance to wrap this chrome trim. I didn't have enough black vinyl like I thought I did, and I hadn't ordered any more yet, but that's still gonna be blacked out eventually. Same with the trim on the grill. That little bit will be blacked out. I might not tint these right here. I thought about doing it because I don't like the little haze look that they got right now, so I was gonna cover them up, but I'd probably leave them alone. But yeah, not much else going on. About to go ahead and wash this thing, get it clean for the weekend, and yeah, hope y'all have a good Christmas holidays and all of that, and I will catch y'all later.